Yo, what's happening, smiley faces? How you doing, everybody? Hope you having a blast and amazing day. Now, if you have a blast and amazing day, me too here, consider it done. So what's happening with the video of today? Well, the video of today is all about the traveling vlog. So I'm actually working on getting this video as quickly as possible ASAP, but I have some shots, so I thought that we could just edit between me and you guys. So if you won't mind, let us just get started. But for this kind of video, we are not using any color loots, but if you're finding it interesting supporting me on my color loots, I'll really give it that like a thumbs up or like a go. So I'll really appreciate that, and all the links are down below on the description. If you don't know about that, you might just go there. Furthermore, they're calling it furthermore. I don't know why do they do that, but let us just make it happen. So we are actually inside Photoshop, and something which is so great is the elephant I took the shot. I made this kind of moment whereby I was not paying close attention to the person who was telling us each aspect of the elephant, but me, I was really focusing on get that moment of the shot of the elephant. Now on this kind of elephant, is just that we are seeing the elephant has some black and white or some desaturated. It's just that this picture took me a lot of time since we're not allowed to open the window, and we did it anyway for getting that kind of moment. And something which is so great is just that we're gonna do some touches here and there. Now from this kind of picture, we're gonna only use camera roll. Now I won't use adjustment or anything like that. So let's go to filter, then let's go to camera roll, or you can click shift Ctrl plus A if it's your thing. Having our picture here, and you can see on the camera roll section, it tells us the ISO and the focal length and stuff like that. We're gonna go to presets, and first thing first, we're gonna go to creative. Now on the creative side is just that you can just use any plugin you like. It's like a preset, it's like a color load and stuff like that. So I'm gonna use, there's a turquoise and red. I think turquoise and red looks good, gives me that kind of vivid. So after clicking turquoise and red, I'm gonna click OK. Boom, there we have it. Now what's good is just that we're gonna go again to camera roll of something like temperature. Now we're gonna play around with temperature and keep it warm a little bit, and we got tint. Now just give it like, I'm gonna give it like positive 10. After that, I'm gonna play around with contrast a little bit, and we can see between before and after. So it's much better to have before and after, so some of you guys can see that. So on this kind of section, I'm gonna go to blacks and add a little bit of blacks there, and clarity, very important. And I'm gonna just do some dehaze. Let us see dehaze, how it's gonna treat the picture. Nice. Now we got saturation. We really need this. Need more saturation on our picture. More saturation. Yeah. Add vibrance. Gonna change some stuff here. Now let's go up a little bit here, and I'm gonna minimize that creative, and I'm gonna go and focus on sharpening. Click sharpening, and just take some light sharpen. I don't need heavy, I just need light. Boom, there we have it. So by now you can see our picture, how it looks like. It looks so amazing. Now we can just try zooming in. You can see each aspect and each detail. There is a sharpness here, refined, which I like that. It's a texture, and you can see we're having a texture here. Now if we just press Ctrl plus 0 on the keyboard, it will just fit. This is something which it's so incredible, and I give it go to my own kind of aspect. So this is how you retouch, or you touch, or you edit your pictures of vlogs and even travel, and it's something which you just get started and get used to that. But if you want to get more into this and understanding each kind of segment of it, you have just to play around with camera roll, play around with adjustments, and you take yourself into different kind of aspect. So I hope some of you guys got it ASAP. If you love these videos today, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, and if you're new here, my name is Ibrahim11211. Never mind, it's 113. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and don't play yourself, and make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that, and stay tuned for the vlog, because it's gonna be amazing. I don't want to rush it. I just want to do this kind of traveling and vlog to be a little bit more epic. So I'll be mixing with pictures and collages and stuff like that. Those are sneak peek, and stay tuned. And I got something new here. I just placed it somewhere here. I wrote it. It's called What's on Budget. Now I'm gonna not remove actually. I'm gonna add this kind of new episode on the playlist. It's like on the playlist. What's on Budget. It's gonna deal with only tech stuff. Only. It doesn't depend on what tech stuff it is. So we're gonna ask people what's on budget. So somebody can say, oh, definitely Infinix S3 Plus, or a certain gadget which is on the market, which is a little bit budget, which some of you guys can grab it. So for further info, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.